Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Puerto Rican RECAITO. This is the flavor base for many Puerto Rican dishes, and it is packed with flavor. We're going to use garlic, onions, cilantro, culantro, which is the broad flat leaf, sort of similar to a cilantro, but there we go. See, that's a big fat long leaf. And peppers, and of course our baby peppers that we yielded from our middle school garden, which is so exciting. So let me get on my mise en place together and I'll show you how to make it.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. Here's the beautiful vegetable garden in Mr. H's class in our middle school, MSCD prep. And here we have some beautiful baby peppers growing, which we're gonna harvest for our RECAITO. The best way to harvest it is just with scissors, clip it right at the stem.
You got it all inside of you.
When cutting up the cilantro for our dish, I want to use some of the stems, but I also don't want to use our roots here. So what I usually do is just cut about here, and what I'll do is save this either for the compost bin, or I'll freeze it and save it if we make a vegetable or a chicken stock. Now that I have all my mise en place done, we are going to make this in the blender. You can make it in a food processor as well. So because I'm doing it in the blender, I took the time to chop everything up nicely. And these are gigantic cloves of garlic. So I wrote originally 4 cloves of garlic, but these are so big, so I'm just gonna use 3. Now I'm very excited. This is my first time using our brand new Oster blender, which I just got off of Amazon. So I gotta unbox this and then we're gonna make our recipe. If you're a fan of my YouTube channel, you may notice that my kitchen looks a little bit different, and that's because I am now over in the middle school, and this is our new kitchen. So we are going to put in, now because we're using this blender, we're gonna just put in a little bit of each. So I'm just gonna start off with 1 clove of garlic and half of the onions and half of the cilantro, and we're gonna pulse it. All right, here we go, our first time, and we're gonna put this on like puree right here. There we go. Now the problem with the blender that the food processor doesn't have is that sometimes you need liquid to help make it. So I just have a tiny bit of water in, and I'm gonna pour this in. Don't worry about that small amount of water when you're cooking, because as you are creating your dish, all of that excess water will evaporate. Once everything has become pureed, you can see how small it gets. Then we're gonna add in the rest of these ingredients and continue to puree until it's a nice smooth paste. Here is our beautiful RECAITO, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to use this. This is a great thing that you can also put into the freezer. So if you make a large batch and you want to freeze some, I usually freeze it in an ice cube tray, and then you can just pop 1 out or 2 out per recipe, and it freezes really, really well. Or you could even give these as a gift. So this is our beautiful RECAITO. Looking forward to using it. So please check out our next demonstration, which will be Pollo de San Juan, using our freshly made RECAITO.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.